Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make a delicious carrot cake. First, gather your essential ingredients. You'll need dry items like all-purpose flour, granulated sugar, and warm spices such as cinnamon and nutmeg. For the wet components, prepare eggs, vegetable oil, and a touch of vanilla extract. Don't forget to grate about 2 cups of fresh carrots. You can also include 1 cup of chopped walnuts or raisins if you like. This simple preparation sets the stage for a truly delightful dessert. Now let's mix the batter. In a large bowl, combine all your dry ingredients, whisking them together thoroughly. In a separate bowl, whisk the wet ingredients until they are well blended. Gradually add the wet mixture to the dry ingredients, mixing gently until just combined. Be careful not to overmix, as this can make the cake tough. Finally, fold in your freshly grated carrots and any optional additions like nuts or raisins. Your batter is now ready for baking. It's time to bake your cake. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Lightly grease and flour a 9 by 13-inch baking pan to prevent sticking. Carefully pour the prepared batter evenly into the pan. Bake for approximately 30 to 35 minutes, or until a wooden toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. Once baked, remove the cake from the oven and let it cool completely on a wire rack. This step is crucial before adding any frosting. No carrot cake is complete without a luscious cream cheese frosting. To make it, beat 8 ounces of softened cream cheese with 1/2 cup of unsalted butter until smooth. Gradually add 4 cups of powdered sugar, 1 cup at a time, mixing well after each addition. Stir in 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Continue beating until the frosting is light, fluffy, and perfectly creamy. Once your cake is completely cool, spread this delicious frosting generously over the top. Enjoy your homemade carrot cake.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.